Hi everyone, so I've made the difficult choice of suspending driving lessons for the moment. Now this is not a choice I've made lightly, but I would encourage other instructors to do the same. Now I'm sure you all know what's going on, and we need to be serious about this. Right, I've just been out for a walk, keeping my distance from people, and I've seen families just walking along the road, holding hands, walking right next to each other with their friends. And people are not taking this seriously at all. Right, we need to take action, and I'm going to take a stand and put it out there that I suggest all other driving instructors, apart from those in absolute dire need, like if you're teaching key workers or anything like that, we all need to take this seriously and just stop. It's easy to say, oh, the show must go on, and think, well, I'll be all right, I'm just going to teach a few people. That's the attitude that will get you into trouble, because I can promise you something, and I don't make this I'm not happy about this, it's just the way things are. There will be people out there now who are just being complacent and going around thinking, oh, it won't bother me, I'll be all right. 2 or 3 weeks' time from now, those people will be lying on the floor in hospital corridors, breathing their last breaths, watching as their families die around them. That's how serious this is. This is not a bit of snow. This is not some test strike where the tests are off for a few weeks. This is deadly serious. So I'm suspending my lessons for my safety and the safety of my pupils and others around them. Will I continue with any? I don't know, because we don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if I'm going to get contacted by someone saying, look, we've got someone who needs to pass urgently, can you get them through? I do teach a lot of doctors in the past. I've taught quite a few doctors and surgeons and anaesthetists. I seem to attract a lot of doctors in my previous years. Anyway, just wanted to let you know that we need to be serious about this. It's not an easy choice for me. I've just cut off my income. I've got no income now at all. And I know that some of you might be thinking, well, you've got another business. I have just started another business in a job that I've just qualified in. At the moment, I'm not making money from that business. I've only just set it all up. It's only just started going. So don't think I'm lying to you. Yes, I can work from home over the phone doing other things. But at the moment, I'm not doing that. So what are my plans? Well, I do have some plans. And for anyone who may be concerned about me, don't worry, because I'm okay for a while, as we all are. You know, I can't live forever on no income, but I have planned ahead, and I have planned for things like this, as extreme as they may be. I have planned for things like unemployment, or one thing I've always planned for as a driving instructor is if ever you fall down the stairs and break your leg or something like that, you've got to have some kind of plan in place, because you can't go out driving with your leg in a cast, can you? So yes, I have had plans in place for a while, and I am now implementing those plans. How long will it last? I don't know. And I'd like to say, if you are thinking of taking lessons with me, do still contact me, do still email me and let me know you're interested. Now, just because I'm not doing lessons right now, it may be a week or 2 or 3 or a month or 2, I don't know. None of us know what's going on. But do still get in touch so I know, I can get back to you and we can book lessons in advance. So please do take this situation very seriously. If we all make the effort now, if we all stay in and isolate now, this can be over in 2, 3, 4 weeks, they've said. If people keep thinking, I'll be all right, I'll just go out, you're going to make it drag on for months or even a year or more. We need to take swift action now. All of us, no exceptions, not you, just because you think, well, I'll be all right. I'll open a window and I'll be all right in the car. No, everyone needs to think really hard about what you're doing. Yes, they're tough times for us all, but think about this. When this all ends, there is going to be a huge surge of people taking driving lessons. And I've had this happen before, and I know you might say, well, people won't have the money. It never seems to affect driving lessons. I've been through the recession, I've been through really bad snow, where the snow of 2010, I didn't work for about 2 or 3 weeks. Not the same thing, but similar things. And it does happen, people do pick up because people are still being paid their wages. Just think about that. Most people that I teach to drive are still getting paid most of their wages, and most of them live at home with their parents. So it's not like they've got mortgages or anything. I'm quite fortunate in my job that my customers don't have many commitments often. They're often available anytime, any day, because they're quite young. So it will pick up. We will get through this, but we need to do it together. No heroes, please, no schools out there saying we're carrying on, we're not going to stop. You will be the ones that drag us all down, and you'll be the ones who are really ill and have to go through this horrible illness. I recommend don't do it. Be sensible, take some time off. We're all in the same boat. It's not just you, it's not just me, it's not just the UK, it's the entire world. It's going through this together. And the only way we'll get through it is to pull together. So I'll have more videos coming soon. I do have plans to maybe increase the amount of videos. As you probably noticed in the last week, I've made one a day, I think. Yeah, it's not that you can't go out at the moment. You can go out in your car, you can go for a walk, but I don't recommend being in a car with someone else. Again, there may be exceptions. There are always going to be the odd exception here and there. Someone who's like a doctor and has to pass the test or something like that. But you've got to minimise the risk. How would you feel if you passed the virus on to someone and killed someone? You might not even know you've ever done it. Well, I'm not going to take that risk. But check out the videos on the screen now, and I'll see you again soon for more videos.